Hello everyone, this is Trustworthy Health and Fitness Channel. Today, I would like to talk about 5 safe and effective ways to lose weight fast. Part 4 Other Proven Diets. 1. Do the Mediterranean diet. Any diet will work at first if you consume fewer calories than you burn. This does not mean that the diet is necessarily sustainable or healthy, but you will lose weight in the short term. A plan like the Mediterranean diet may be able to help you sustain weight loss. It is based on the traditional ingredients and cooking styles of people living near the Mediterranean Sea. Research has shown that people adhering to this diet have reduced risk of heart disease, plus it helps you shed pounds and look lean and trim. Focus on eating the following foods and eliminate bread, dairy, and processed foods: fish, olive oil, vegetables, fruit, beans, and other legumes, spices, nuts, red wine. 2. Try the paleo diet. Back when cavemen still ruled the earth, they didn't have time to bake cupcakes or fry potato chips. The paleo diet, short for Paleolithic, seeks to recreate the same diet that our early ancestors ate, claiming that our systems are not built for modern ingredients and cooking styles. You eat meat, vegetables, fruit, and other foods that would have been available back then, and avoid anything paleo people wouldn't have had. No artificial sweeteners or grains are allowed. Some people incorporate intermittent fasting into the paleo diet as well, to speed up weight loss. 3. Do the Whole30 diet. The idea behind this diet is to eliminate all processed foods from your diet for 30 days, to cleanse your system of artificial ingredients and other processed items that are hard on your digestive system. After 30 days, you'll notice a reduced waistline and higher energy levels. Avoid grains, dairy, sugars, legumes, alcohol, and all processed foods. Eat meat, vegetables, some fruits, and drink plenty of water. 4. Do the raw food diet. If you dislike meat and are tired of cooking, this one's for you. The raw food diet consists entirely of foods that have not been cooked. You lose weight by consuming loads of fresh vegetables and fruits. Coconut milk, nuts, seeds, and other uncooked foods are also allowed on the raw food diet. Thank you all for listening. You can download free ebook Best Weight Loss Advice in the link below.